Alright guys, so, hello. I first and foremost want to say, I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday. I know that, it's almost Christmas and stuff, so I hope everybody is doing well. So I wanted to make a video, and I'm sorry for the lack of uploads. Again, it's the holidays, I've been very busy, but I did want to just, I guess, squeeze in a video, and just put it on my YouTube channel. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and subtract these following polynomials. So subtract the polynomial expressions. And so here we're going to go ahead and just dive right in. Now this problem might be a sort of quick. It doesn't really take much thinking here, so it might not be a really big, a very difficult problem. The one thing that a lot of students forget to do about this with this problem is, and one thing that they forget to do, so they forget to distribute the negative. Okay guys, so that's the first thing you have to do here. If you do not distribute the negative, and let's say you don't distribute it, you don't apply it, it's going to be wrong. So that's the first thing you need to do. So again, let me just read the problem. 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 minus the quantity negative 7x squared plus 5x cubed minus 4x plus 7. So you rewrite this first part, it stays the same. So the most of the time, or actually all of the time, you are going to keep the first part the same, unless there's a negative. Unless, let's say, there would be a negative in here, then that would be different, right? Then anytime there's a negative, you have to distribute it. So here, we're just going to go ahead and distribute it. We have plus 7x squared minus 5x cubed, and then plus 4x, and then plus 7. Now from here, guys, a lot of students have trouble combining like terms because sometimes there's so many of them. What I like to do is I like to highlight them, okay? Or label them somehow by drawing shapes or whatever. If you can't use colors, right? Let's say you're doing a test, you can't use colors, you can go ahead and just do it with shapes like squares and circles and triangles, etc. So here we have a 2x cubed and a negative 5x cubed. We also have a 3x squared and a 7x squared. And then we also have a 4x and a 4x. And so then we also have a negative 3 and a 7, right? So you kind of want to label those as best as you can. Now, if you want, you can rewrite them next to each other. But in this case, let's just go ahead and simplify it. So here we have 2x cubed minus 5x cubed. That's negative 3x cubed. So we got that down. So let's go ahead and just take that off. Okay, so cross those off because we are already done with them. And you want to make sure, guys, that you start with the highest exponent. Okay, always start with the highest exponent or the highest degree or power, right? Those are all the same thing. And then we're gonna do in descending exponents. So we started with cubed, now we're gonna go to squared. So you want to go in order, okay, guys? So now we have 3x squared plus 7x squared. That's plus 10x squared. Okay, so let's go ahead and just make sure that we have that down. And again, okay, and so now we can cross those out. So we're done with those. So anytime you're done with them, guys, cross them out. And then here we have a 4x and a 4x. So then that's going to be plus 8x. Okay, guys. So again, once you're done with it, just cross it out. And then a negative 3 and a 7. So minus 3 plus 7, right? That's going to be plus 4. Okay, guys. So in this case, this is going to be our answer. So I know, again, this is a pretty quick problem. I don't want to make it longer than what it is. So therefore, this is going to equal to negative 3x cubed plus 10x squared plus 8x plus 4. Okay, guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I know it was a pretty quick problem, but if anybody does have any questions, please let me know. And thank y'all so much for watching. And again, I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to everybody. If, you know, if I don't post on Christmas, or, you know, obviously not, or New Year's. But I hope everybody is doing well, and I hope y'all have a safe and wonderful holiday with your family. And with that being said, guys, thank y'all so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.